Hello, beautiful mamas. Welcome back to my channel. I just got back from out of town late last night. So in today's video, I'm doing a Sunday reset. I need to unpack my suitcase, clean out my poor car, and tidy up this house. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. First things first, let's unpack. Now, I'm gonna be honest with y'all. Typically, it takes me 2 to 4 business days to unpack my suitcase. But I have guests coming in this week, so I don't want to procrastinate like I usually do. I am trying to do better, y'all. So I am unpacking after coming in late last night. I'm trying to get ahead of that procrastination chaos. But I'll be honest, I'm kind of good at procrastinating. Like, I don't know about y'all. I feel like it just be flowing. I'd be like, I don't know if it's the time constraint that I have to just know, all right, this is next, this is that. Ooh, that came together. Ooh. But anywho, I have got to at least get the house or my bedroom. I have to at least get my bedroom in order so I can get a good night rest tonight. See? And this is why I need some sleep tonight. I was trying to hype myself up, but that's all I wanted to do was just go back to bed. So I'm gonna hurry up and try to take these sheets off. And I think I'm gonna need me a little coffee and a little energy boost. So let's take these sheets, put them in the washing machine, and we're also going to grab the bag that I had for the dirty clothes of the trip, and I'm going to sweat those out, get those washed, and then some coffee. Yes, y'all don't understand how much I needed this coffee. And yes, I got a nice big cup, and I like coffee with my creamer. The lighter, the better. But I have my coffee. I put on a nice little show to watch just to give me a break so I can recharge and get back to work. I done stubbed my baby toe. Y'all give me a minute. My baby toe. Look, y'all better start going on some music and dancing and stop laughing at me. That coffee kicked in and I was so ready. I threw on some music and I got into it, yo. And then there was laundry. Boy, after doing the laundry, my baby needed to take a nap, and mama just went ahead and took a nap with her. I don't know what it is about laundry, but I don't know. It just made me tired. So after doing the laundry, I took a brief nap, brief 2 hours. But anywho, I took a nap and then I finished the rest of my Sunday reset later that afternoon. So I guess after taking my nap, I wasn't fully awake because I cleaned this mirror. I thought I pushed, play, and my daughter's sitting back there just laughing at me and giggling and didn't tell me I ain't really pushed the button. It didn't matter anyways because not more than 5 seconds after cleaning this mirror from baby Cheetos, she was back on and giving herself kisses. But let's go ahead and get back into it. We got the dresser to clear off and get that all dusted. And then I love to change my towels on Sunday as well. Now we're going to move downstairs to the living room where I am going to pick up this Kleenex paper towels. I don't know. I don't know what the baby got into, but it's all over the floor. After getting the living room straight and vacuumed, I went ahead and changed clothes because it is just too hot outside to be wearing long pants. Okay? I changed clothes, set up the water table so the girls had something to do outside, and I focused on my car because my car is a mess. I mean, look at this. Let me tell y'all the story of this food on my floor. Last night I was coming in late and it was a 2-lane road that was, I guess, branching out into 4 lanes so that one of the lanes was turning left and another lane was turning right, and you had, the 2 middle lanes that were going straight. And I saw this car, this hatchback Hyundai, somebody who had tried to soup up their car and everything. And I noticed he was doing too much on the road. And he decided that he was going to forget I was right beside him and literally just turn right in front of me, because instead of waiting for the car that was turning left in front of him, he was just moving slightly left to get into the turn lane. It wasn't like he was making a full left turn, okay? He was just going into the turn lane. But this impatient driver behind him decided, I don't want to wait the 5 milliseconds. I want to cut off this car that's right beside me. And y'all, he cut me off and I had to throw on those brakes, and all the food that the girls were eating, because they ate late last night, it just went everywhere. So this is what the back of my car ended up looking like in the end. But I am just so grateful that we're safe. Those anti-lock came in handy last night, but we did make it home safe. I was a little irritated, but everything is all good. No scratches in my car. It's just some people are just so impatient. I mean, literally 5 milliseconds is all he had to wait. The dude was not making a full left turn. It was just slightly going left to get into the left turn. Just ridiculous. So today I'm just going to vacuum it up, air out my car, and then I do know I'm going to go back and really wipe the seats because, the girls were in the back and things get spilled and stuff like that. So the seats do need to be wiped down, but I think I'm going to get somebody else to do that. I'm not sure yet. I'm going to ask hubby. Now, the last part is just hitting this trunk because I still have a lot of stuff from the trip back in here, like these foam rockets that I did with my nephews, and a couple more bags that I just didn't care about bringing them in the house because I was just tired, y'all. I was ready to get off that road. But I'm going to go ahead, pull all that stuff out, vacuum it, and just put back what I need into my trunk. And that'll be it. And speaking of putting things back in my trunk, I have the umbrella stroller, an umbrella, first aid kit, and a car shade because y'all, it is Florida heat. It get real hot with this black car. And a donation box. Now, this donation box is because I am decluttering my home for summer, so I gotta stop by and actually drop off the things that I don't need anymore for this decluttering session. And if you need to declutter your home, I am inviting you to join me for the Summer Simplify Decluttering Challenge. We'll be starting back again next week. It's just that I had to do this road trip, but I hope to see you guys next Saturday. Thank you all so much for watching. I love you. Stay blessed. Bye.